Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a really exciting NFT project for you that is way more than just an image that they're selling. This project goes way beyond that. They're creating a lot of great things. This project is called The Last Raptor. We're going to go through their website, their roadmap, and all the other things that they're putting out here in the near future. Now, before we get started, I do need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor, so anything that I do say in this video is my own personal opinion, and always do your own research before investing in any of these projects, and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to get started here right on their homepage. Going down through their website here, we've got 1,923 unique Raptors that are about to be unleashed, and they currently have been because they are done minting with this project. But their tagline is, do you know what is better than a high quality piece of art? It's a high quality piece of art with a utility. With this concept in mind, we went above and beyond to create an NFT collection that becomes a game changer. The Last Raptor is a collection of 1,923 generative Raptors with hundreds of hand-drawn pieces. Each piece is unique with its own color palette and composition. The goal was to make each Raptor idiosyncratic to place a premium on quality and quantity. As long as you hold at least one Raptor in your wallet, you will be showered with benefits along the way. So the first project outside of just art is their NFT tool, or nftool.io. It's a portfolio optimizer, and the story on this one is, the moment Raptors come to life, we start building a cutting-edge NFT portfolio optimizer, which gives special privileges to the Last Raptor holders. Our vision for this tool is to be the last stop for any NFT trader looking to maximize their profits. This tool will have multiple tiers of service, and some features will be charged. However, all of the features will remain free forever for the Last Raptor holders. Our team has extensive experience building various software and tech startups, which enables us to tackle this space with confidence. The following is a sample of some of the features we are aiming for. One is offering a variety of indicators that helps you determine the current stage of each collection, calculating the current evaluation of your NFTs and portfolio in general, spotting undervalued NFTs, selecting the best NFT items from any NFT collections, calculating the waiting time based on the price you've selected for each NFT, spotting pre-breakout collections using data mining and machine learning, projecting the market's greed/fear metric, generating P&L reports based on your trades, using AI to fine-tune the heuristics, and some other surprise features. Now, we're going to go a little bit more in depth with this. They've got a video on the tool to show you some of the stuff that they're working on. I think it's an amazing promo video, but we'll show that here coming up. So going down their roadmap, phase 1, which was the start, was the public sale of the Last Raptor, which took place on December 2nd of 2021. And it says, after purchase, you retain commercial rights to your The Last Raptor NFT. Beyond the right to your NFT item, we are developing an internal marketplace in which you will be able to apply for merch. A reputable third-party company will manufacture several high-quality products based on your NFT. And it's also interesting that the owner of each NFT keeps 80% of the profit from each sale in the merch store. Thus, you can immediately earn passive income without selling your NFT. Next is their portfolio optimizer, which is the NF tool. We will continue to develop our advanced NFT portfolio optimizer, adding features one by one. Maintain your Raptor, or you may regret it in the future, because holding Raptors grants you access to all paid features forever, as long as you own it. And next is their secret collection, which they're hinting at is going to be about 10,000 items, and they will come with their own unique utility. And also, owners of the Last Raptor will be able to mint for free for as many Raptors as you own, as long as you pay gas fees. And finally is their DAO. It says the Last Raptor owners will collectively determine the future of this journey and most of the post-launch projects and partnerships that follow. So they're going to put voting procedures in place so you can help drive the future of this project. Now, they did create a storyline for the Last Raptor. You can read it here, but I wanted to highlight, it said, we've decided to create an NFT collection assigning metadata to each piece and safeguard it with everything we've got until it's permanently stored on the Ethereum blockchain in the form of ERC-721 tokens. And a quick snapshot of the team here. They do have a team of 6 currently, and they each have their own individual NFTs that represent them. And I do believe you can find their individual profiles through their Discord. And at the bottom of the page, they have the FAQ, and it says, how were the Last Raptor NFTs generated? This collection took 2 months to complete, and each Raptor was generated from a collection of 100 plus hand-drawn attributes. Also, the Last Raptor is among the top tier collections when it comes to the number of one-to-one hand-drawn items divided by the supply. Next, why 19 1,923 raptors and not 10,000. And they list the first velociraptor fossil was discovered in 1923, and we chose this number in honor of this discovery. According to our roadmap, we wanted to provide special utilities to our owners, which couldn't be done if we had a larger collection. Lastly, less is more, and this is certainly true when it comes to the floor price. Next, some of the benefits of the Raptor. It says allows you exclusive access to the #Raptors Club, place where no human has ever been. Next, allows you to sell products on our platform and keep 80% of the profits. Next, unlimited access to NFT portfolio managers VIP features for life. And finally, it gives you a free NFT for only the cost of gas from a future collection. And currently the team is withholding 98 items for giveaways, team members, and community promos. The NFTs were revealed 48 hours after minting, and the initial minting price on these was 0.09 Ethereum plus gas, and I think right now currently the floor price is just under 0.5 Ethereum, so these have definitely done very well, and I think they're going to continue to do well. Now, a quick overview of their Twitter. The last Raptor does currently have about 14,500 followers. They are very active in the community, in the NFT community on Twitter. They interact with other projects, they post updates, contests, and best of all, sneak peeks of some of their merch that can be out. I definitely recommend following this if you're interested, so you can see some of the art and some of the collaborations that they're working with, and just the interactions are very good in my opinion. Next, taking a look at their Discord. Currently their Discord does have about 25,000 members, so definitely huge. This is very active 24 hours a day, lots of information on here. It's pretty well organized. There is some areas that have a lot more information than the channel name, but there is a lot of information here. So if you want to dive even deeper into this project, definitely come over to their Discord. Once you're verified, you can start chatting with other people in the community and just looking around. There's a lot of extra information that goes beyond just this NFT and the project as a whole. It's a very good Discord, and I've been in here for a while and definitely recommend joining just to see some of the cool stuff that they release. Now, coming over to their NF Tools site, it's nftul.io. They do have a place to pre-sign up for this, so you can subscribe up here with your email and they will send you an alert when this is actually available. They do have a teaser video. I will play some of this here so you can check it out. I think they did really well with this, and I'm going to play the first half of this for you. So with this tool, it seems extremely interesting to me. I think it's going to be a great resource if this is done correctly. They seem very passionate about this. I really hope it turns out like they're wanting it to, because I think this could be a game changer. Now, quickly here, I did want to mention their open merch site. This is the print on demand for your NFT that you own. They do explain how it works, how to list your item, and then have it priced and created. Definitely check out the site if you are interested in this and if you want some more details. I think it's an extremely unique idea for NFTs, and I do think it is possible to earn passive income off of these. I don't know how far it will go, but I do think it's a really great idea and really interested to see how this will turn out. So definitely check out their open merch site if you want to see more information on this and see how it works. Now, the last section I wanted to highlight is their OpenSea page. So currently the floor price is 0.47 Ethereum. They've got 247 traded, and you can come over here and see kind of historical prices and some of the NFTs that are up for sale currently. So definitely check this out if you would like to get one of these post minting, so you have a chance to have access to their tool and also their print on demand service and a lot of the other utilities that are on their roadmap. And I think the prices of these are only going to continue to go up. I mean, the minting price, these things were only minted about a month and a half ago, and the price has already just skyrocketed in terms of that. So definitely get in on these if you want access to every other tool and just a good buy and hold style NFT. So my final thoughts on the last Raptor NFT, I think it's an amazing project. I really like some of the tools and some of the utility that they're going for just beyond the artwork. I think it's a unique artwork project in general, and I'm really interested to see how far they can go with this. But either way, what do you guys think about this project? Do you guys think this is going to just keep growing and explode? Do you think it's something that you're interested in? Either way, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to interact with you there. And if there's another project out there that you want us to cover, let us know and we'll start making a video on it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more NFT projects just like this one and more. And we will see you in the next.